Hi guys, welcome to today's Outlook, in which I'm going to be discussing some of the major currency pairs alongside the DXY. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. Starting off with the DXY, what can we see? Well, not much has changed since yesterday. The DXY is still consolidating and moving very correctively. We still need to wait for momentum to kick in. So if we draw in some structure over here, we could see that I had this structure line drawn on. And as we can see, we're still respecting that. Yesterday, I adjusted it a little bit. So you could say, well, we've broken out of that structure line. However, if you just look at the overall structure, you can easily see that still nothing has happened. So over here, currently consolidating at the 618 and at my reversal area. So what do we need to see? Well, we need to see a breakout of this structure line with a retest of structure over here. And then bullish confirmation for a potential long. Or we need to wait for a strong impulse towards the downside, break of this major swing low, a retest of that swing low, and then the bearish confirmation for further shorts. So that would be a retest of this level over here at 91.4. I'm not interested in price breaking this low, mainly due to the fact that this is the major swing low that needs to be broken before the trend has officially switched. With the DXY discussed, let's head over to Aussie Cad. And yeah, Aussie Cad has been moving pretty nice since yesterday. As we can see, I talked about Aussie Cad faking out on the low and giving us bullish confirmation over here, after which you could potentially go long. So Aussie Cad, pretty nice. If we go down lower to the lower time frame, what can we then see? Well, we have this 1 hour structure break over here. If we then draw in our Fibonacci level, what can we then see? We can then see that we made a 0.5 retracement, so yeah, not that interesting. I would have preferred it to come a little bit lower. Who knows, we might still come back down towards the 618 due to the fact that there is a potential reversal area over there. And that potential reversal area aligns perfectly with previous lows over here, which were tested at 0.95500. So yeah, I'm just really gonna wait, I think, on Aussie Cad until we get back down towards the 618, get into my reversal area, and then see bullish confirmation before I would potentially think about taking any longs. Shorts currently not on the board for me, mainly due to the fact that we broke out of this major descending trend line and there's nothing really bearish about price at the moment. I would be looking for shorts once we break down below this major swing low over here, but for the time being, shorts are not very interesting in my opinion. So yeah, that's Aussie Cad. Let's head over to Aussie Yen. And Aussie Yen hasn't been doing much, to be honest. We broke this ascending trend line, after which we've just been consolidating. So these are the two levels between which we are currently moving. So currently moving in between 83,800 and 83,200. What do we need to see? Well, we need to see a breakout towards the downside, breakout of this structure over here with a clean impulse, clean retracement, and then more downside. However, due to the fact that we are right next to these swing lows over here and this area of consolidation, I'm not a big fan of taking shorts on retest of structure over here. So I would preferably see a break of this major swing low and of consolidation over here, and then after that retest that area before taking any potential shorts. For longs, not really that interested at the moment, mainly due to the fact that the structure on the higher time frame, so on the 4 hour and the daily, is bearish at the moment. So yeah, personally just going to be waiting until we break the swing low before I take any potential shorts. So with Aussie Yen discussed, let's head over to Pound Dollar. And Pound Dollar has also not been doing that much, to be honest. However, I was interested in potential longs after breaking this major 4 hour and 1 hour structure line. So let's dive into the 1 hour time frame, and what we can then see is that we had a beautiful setup potentially, which could be taken over here at 7 AM in the morning. So as you guys can see, I have this blue line on, which represents structure. If we were to draw in just an area of support and resistance, you can easily see, okay, well, that support area has holded perfectly. If we then draw in our fib, it's probably going to be a 0.0382. So what do we have here? Well, we have a fake out on the major swing low of structure over here at 1.37313. After that, we see a beautiful 1 hour engulfing, after which you could have potentially gone long, back up towards the next area of major consolidation, which would have been at 1.38215. Stop loss just under structure, and you would have had a beautiful 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, I'm currently not positioned within, I'm currently not within this position. I am going to be waiting probably. If you go and look at the lower time frame, what could you then say? Well, we can then draw on this descending channel. So we could potentially take a long if we see a strong breakout further, retest of this high, and then bullish confirmation. So after even after missing that 1 hour setup, I can still take the setup on the 50-minute if it is clean enough, and if we see nice impulse, retracement back down to structure, and then bullish confirmation. So a pound dollar discussed, let's head over to our last pair, which is Kiwi Dollar. And Kiwi Dollar hasn't been moving at all, to be honest. As we can see, just still in between this area of consolidation, between the 0.70150 and the 0.70700. So as you guys know, we need a breakout of structure before taking any potential positions. If we go down to the lower time frame, the 1 hour just really clearly represents how we are currently consolidating. So what do we need to see? Breakout towards the downside, break of this major swing low over here, retest of that swing low, and then a major and nice short position alongside with our bearish higher time frame bias. Any potential longs? No, not really for me personally. You could say, well, we have this structure line over here, and we are currently breaking out of this 4-hour descending trend line. However, due to the fact that structure is still bearish, so structure is still bearish on the high time frame, we go back up to the daily time frame. Our major next lower high is over here. So once that lower high is broken, then we're going to be in a daily uptrend, and from then onwards I would be interested in taking potential longs on the lower time frame. But for the time being, I'm just going to stick to my short bias on the lower time frame. Hence why I'm just going to be waiting for structure to break, structure to be retested, and then bearish confirmation. So yeah, thank you all for watching. If you have any requests regarding any specific pairs you would like me to analyze for you, just leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys.